Hi! Hello! Kamusta? Happy birthday, Tita Bing! Sana na-enjoy mo yung araw mo and yun lang, God bless and stay healthy and enjoy the rest of the year and then next year and then the other year, so on and so forth. Bisita kami dyan ni Chen soon, next time pag pwede na. Happy birthday, God bless, and I love you all.
Hi Bing, happy birthday. I just want to let you know how I appreciate you having you in our lives. You're not only a brother to me or to us, but you've been a source of strength, wisdom, and joy for everybody. So on this day, your 75th birthday, I wish you all the blessings, the happiness, and good health that you deserve. So happy birthday again. We love you to the moon and back. See ya.
Mother, in behalf of your 3VC family, happy birthday, and we love you always. Take care. Love you.
Hello, Bing. Happy birthday. I just wanna sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! I love you!
I wish you the best, and I wish that you will have a healthy new year and a very good celebration for your birthday. I'm sorry we're not able to make it, but you are always in our heart.
Right.
We love you.
Love you.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Hi Bing! Happy birthday! At I'm wishing you good health. Mahal ka namin. We're praying for you. At sana magkita tayo sometime in November. Ayusin lang kami sa visa namin. And I hope to see you guys all, especially you. At huwag mong kalilimutan na mag-pray lagi. Pinagpipray ka namin dito. At I hope to see you in your prettiest and healthiest you. Maraming salamat kapatid sa iyong suporta, sa mga binibigay mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. At mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday again and I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Bing. We wish you a good health.
Thank you for everything. We miss you and hope to see you again.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
Bing.
Wish you all the best. Enjoy your special day and God bless you.
Happy birthday po, Tito!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. We love you.
Hey, brother! Happy birthday! Ha? Alam kong masayang-masaya ka ngayon dahil nakita ko sa iyong mga video na marami silang ginawang surprise sa birthday mo. So, ganun pa man, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan at good health. Importante, magkaroon ka ng good health at more birthdays to come. At sana makita tayo very soon. Okay? Yan lang, maiksi lang. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day. And wish you all the luck. Thank you. Kamusta dyan sa mga taga-Texas? Alam ko, mapapanood nyo to. Charmaine, thank you very much. Chichay, Ginger, Ina, Ron, Rhoda, and Kay, thank you very much. Happy birthday again, brother. Bye.
Hi, Bing. Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come and happiness. Enjoy as you can. Sorry. So just woke up and Proylan is not here. She works early in the morning. Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mother!
Happy birthday, Mother!
Happy 75th birthday!
75 ka na.
Still sexy.
75, masyado mo ingatan ang sarili mo, brother. At alam ko, mabubuhay ka pa hanggang 120 years. Joke! Happy birthday! Ingat ka pa dati.
Ingat kayo dyan.
We love you.
See you.
See you soon! Bye!
Hasta la vista, baby. Happy birthday. And I wish you a very, very good health and furthermore a very good life. And I know na nag-enjoy ka dyan sa stay mo sa family natin dyan sa Texas. And I hope for you the very best, ma-achieve mo pa yung mga goals na gusto mo ma-achieve. And I hope that this year will be very wonderful for you. And may God bless you even further. And with more LV from Ate K or Ate Kitty, Tita Ina, and pagpunta mo dito, di ba? Pagpunta mo dito, gusto mo, pagdalaw namin dyan, matitreat kita kung ano gusto mo. So, ayun nga, mag-check, maintain mo lang yung sarili mo na ganyan. We love you, I love you, and yun nga, palitihan mo lang na healthy ka despite your age. Hindi nga nila, mukha ka nga bata despite your age, mas mas healthy ka pa nga kesa sa mga iba dito, sa mga mas bata sa'yo. So maintain mo lang pag may nararamdaman ka ganyan, maintain mo lang yung pagpunta mo sa hospital, ganyan yung lagi mo ginagawa. Ayun nga, health is wealth. Just stay healthy, stay safe, and yun nga, I love you very much, and I'll always be here for you, and I hope to see you all there soon. Bye bye.